This is a really fun hat. Boys like this a lot. It's a great attention getter. It uses 3 balloons. I've already taken the liberty of a green and inflated it most all the way and made a basic helmet and then split the top. I've done that on several already, so if you're not sure how to do that, go back and look at some of the previous videos. I've got a red that I've inflated, leaving about a 5-inch tail. Then I took a 5-inch round and a white, blew it up to about 4.5 inches, nearly all the way, and then took the liberty of drawing an eyeball on there. There are some pre-prints out there, imprinted balloons with eyeballs on them. You can use them as well, but I thought I would just go ahead and draw one just for the fun of it. We've already got our hat, so now we're going to take our red. What you want to do is come down about 2.5 inches, twist a bubble, twist a little 1/2 inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, and then you want another bubble the same size as that first one. And we're going to twist a pinch twist on it, after it I mean, make a small bubble, a pinch twist, and then make another one. We're going to have 2 pinch twists here together at this end. Now what you want to do is you're going to come up and you want to bubble. You don't want this to straighten out. You want this to be at pretty close to a 90-degree angle. Measure off where that would connect with it there. Don't have to connect it yet. Now we're going to make another small 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist as well. And then we want to bubble the same size as that coming back down and twist into that double pinch twist we made earlier. Just like that. Now come back and take this loose end and twist it into a pinch twist at the opposite there. So you've got an opening there with this little connecting point in the back. Now you want to come down about 3 or 4 inches and twist the bubble. And then we're going to twist 2 more little pinch twists, so make a 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, make that a pinch twist, and any excess you've got, just pop it off. Make sure you secure the end. Just like that. Now we're going to take our eyeball. What you want to do is kind of spread these out a little bit, poke the knot end through this opening in the front, and then grab it and bring it back and connect it on that pinch twist at the back, just like that. And then you can kind of poke your eye up in there a little bit, but you've got an eyeball. And then take that where the doubled pinch twist on the bottom, we took our helmet and that twist in the top, just connect that right up in there with those 2 pinch twists that we have. And you can have it either where it's looking forward that way and the kid wears it like that, or if you want to go to the side, you can turn it like that. And you have a nifty little eyeball hat.